I'm in the pouring rain, slowly slipping to a drain. Or am I going insane? Guess I have no one to blame. But now I'm in a world of light, surrounded by your beautiful flight. I don't want to leave this place. After all, time's nothing but a rat race. I'm going to miss you, but I have to go. I can't stay forever, you know. People to see and places to go. I love you, but you don't care about me at all. So I'll just let my heart bleed out as you cry. Magic, yo. Dreams aren't my domain no more.